As a globe, we need to completely transform how do we see our role in living within this earth that is our home. We only have now 10 years to reduce our carbon emissions by 40%, or we know we will face major climatic disaster. Sustainability is how we become more prosperous and healthier and happier.
Our buildings contribute 17% of Canada's national emissions simply through their operation, and that number is closer to 30% when you consider the impact of building materials. In 2016, the Canada Green Building Council put out a call for new construction projects that were interested in pursuing the goal of zero carbon. Evolve One was one of the project teams that stepped forward. Evolve One is a multi-tenant commercial office building in Waterloo, Ontario. It's 3 stories tall and approximately 104,000 square feet.
When it came to Evolve One, we wanted to basically step back and reimagine what's possible. And that's where the idea for a zero carbon net positive energy building came from. And we're speaking of a building that actually produces more energy on an annual basis than it consumes. To become a net positive energy building, we worked on several pillars. One was we had to design a building envelope that was very energy efficient. Then we needed a mechanical system to heat and cool the building efficiently, and we embedded that with a open well geothermal system and then sized a photovoltaic array to deliver 108% of the building's energy needs. In choosing our mechanical partner with Evolve One, we selected Mitsubishi Electric for their VRF system. And we did that because of reputation and because of their ability to help us design the building. So they were more than just a vendor, they were a partner in the design of the building.
Because Evolve One is a design assist project, the contractor, engineer, developer, and the supplier, we were hand in hand on Evolve One. In a geothermal system, the energy is extracted from the aquifer and brought to the geothermal plant. And then that energy is extracted through a water source VRF condenser, because water source VRF heat recovery is one of the most efficient technologies available at this point in time in the market.
The core group is very proud to have received the CaGBC's Zero Carbon Building Award, as well as Mitsubishi Electric's Sustainable Building of the Year Award in 2019. One of the questions we often get is how much more money is it to build a zero carbon or net positive energy building than conventional? While it did cost us a little bit more, those costs will be more than offset by the energy savings of the building. So what we find is it's actually cheaper.
It's not a one-off Disney World of sustainable buildings. It's actually a building that any developer could pick up the feasibility study and replicate this. It's really amazing how a project like this can start to shift the thinking of what's possible. And I think that's something we as a culture and community need, the embodiment of what is possible if people come together and work together.